Desert Flower, is a memoir by Waris Dirie, an author and activist who escaped a life of poverty and underwent female genital mutilation, FGM, in Somalia. The book details her extraordinary journey from a nomadic life in the Somali desert to becoming an international model and advocate against FGM. Here is a detailed summary of the book. Introduction. Waris Dirie introduces her memoir by describing her early life as a member of the nomadic Somali clan. She emphasizes the beauty and harshness of the desert landscape that shaped her childhood. Chapter 1. Desert Childhood. Waris recounts her nomadic upbringing in Somalia. She talks about the close-knit family relationships and the challenges of survival in the arid desert. Chapter 2. The Grandmother's Tale. Waris shares her grandmother's stories, including folklore and family history. She describes her grandmother as a strong and wise woman who played a crucial role in her life. Chapter 3, From My Heart, Waris reflects on her love for her family and the strength of the bonds she shares with her mother, Somali, and her siblings. Chapter 4, Going to School. Despite the cultural norms that discourage education for girls, Waris's father encourages her to attend school. Her curiosity and determination to learn drive her. Chapter 5. The Tainted God. Waris details the horrific experience of undergoing female genital mutilation, FGM, at the age of 5. She describes the pain, trauma, and the cultural significance of this practice. Chapter 6. Circumcision. Waris's FGM experience continues to haunt her, leading to significant health complications. She experiences severe infections and difficulty menstruating. Chapter 7, Lost in the Desert. At the age of 13, Waris escapes her arranged marriage and flees from Somalia to London with the help of an aunt who worked at the Somali embassy. She faces culture shock and isolation in the foreign city. Chapter 8, The Bus Stops. Waris works as a maid for her aunt in London and later takes on odd jobs. She faces discrimination and hardship as an immigrant but remains determined to find a better life. Chapter 9, London Calling. Waris's striking beauty is noticed by a photographer on the streets of London, leading to her entry into the world of modeling. Her career takes off rapidly, and she becomes a supermodel. Chapter 10, From Bond Street to Buckingham Palace. Waris's modeling career flourishes, and she travels the world, working with renowned designers and photographers. She reflects on her experiences in the fashion industry. Chapter 11, Escape to America. Waris moves to the United States to continue her modeling career. She finds success but continues to grapple with the emotional scars of FGM and her past. Chapter 12, The Waris Dirie Foundation. Waris decides to use her fame to raise awareness about FGM and its devastating effects. She establishes the Waris Dirie Foundation to combat FGM and advocate for women's rights. Chapter 13, The Desert Flower. Waris shares her journey of healing and self-acceptance. She embraces her identity as a desert flower, symbolizing her resilience and beauty. Chapter 14, United Nations Ambassador. Waris becomes a United Nations Special Ambassador for the elimination of female genital mutilation. She travels the world, speaking out against FGM and advocating for gender equality. Chapter 15, Enduring Legacy. Waris reflects on her accomplishments and the ongoing fight against FGM. She emphasizes the importance of education and empowerment in changing cultural practices. Conclusion. In the final chapter, Waris Dirie expresses her hope for a world where FGM is eradicated, girls receive an education, and women's rights are protected. She remains committed to her advocacy work and the fight for a brighter future for women and girls. Desert Flower is a powerful and moving memoir that not only highlights the horrors of FGM but also celebrates the resilience and determination of a woman who escaped her past to become a global advocate for change. Waris Dirie's story is a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the capacity to overcome adversity to make a difference in the world.